Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Omsiridi. Today in this video, we are going to solve one lead code problem. So, using Python, we are going to solve this. Here, the question is given an integer array number, return an integer answer return an array answer such that the answer I is equal to the product of all the number of except that number I. So, here the statement of this problem is so. For example, we have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the list contain four elements, so we need to calculate one first index like zero index. In zero index we have 1. So when we have using this thing like 0, we need to leave that and remaining we need to multiply. Like that we get on total index. So you will understand by going the logic, you will clearly understand about that. Okay, so for that I am writing the function like def product underscore x except product underscore except underscore self. I'm initializing the I'm initializing the numbers, and where n equals to length of numbers. Now initializing the I'm initializing initializing the left and right letters left and right array. Okay, for that I'm taking left product. I'm taking the left product equals to list of 1 into n. Okay, same as this right product, right underscore product equals to 1 list of 1 into n. Okay, up to now. So computing the product of left hand side, now we are going to compute the product of left side. Here they compute the product to the left of each element. So each and every element we are computing the product. For that left underscore product equals to 1, left underscore product equals to 1. Next loop for I in range of 1 to n. I am calculating 1 to n range, and left underscore product equals to multiply equal to numbers I minus 1, I minus I minus 1. After that I'm going to take store the things like left product. I'm storing the this product. What are the stored there? I need to store here product. Same as compute the product for right to the right of each element. So I need to compute the right, product for right of each element. Same, I'm taking the values of right right product equals to 1 for I in range of n minus 2 n minus 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. So right underscore product numbers dot plus I plus 1 numbers dot I plus 1. Now write product of I equals to, I need to store this value, product. Okay, now we are going to multiply the left and right products. So what are the final, to get a final result? Multiply the left and right products. So I am giving the answer, final answer I need to type. So it is equals to left product which I store in I into RGHT white product which is stored in I. Now I am writing the for loop for I in range of n, I in range of n, and I am returning return answer. So this is the thing. Let's execute. I didn't, like, I am not getting any error. So I am given example. I'm passing numbers equals to list of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now our result equals to what I think it's here. This is the function I return. Yeah, now print result. We get, oh, I get an error, length is not defined. Okay, here the length is not defined, it's showing the length is not defined. Okay, sorry, I mentioned here, I need to mention like length. Fine, I get another, it does not support an 8 items, assigned items. So left hand product, like I'm getting error in left hand, like here the product is getting error. So what I write out, okay, I initialize the one for I in range of 1 comma n, product equals to, like, left hand product equals to products dot I minus 1. Okay, this is also fine, but I getting error, right? I need to store as products 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 products. Let's execute. I'm again finding that left product is not defined. Yeah, finally I get an answer. So I mentioned that strong statements here because I like variables says case sensitive na, so that is the error I get it. Okay, so here, so how you will calculate it, let me say. So here the 1 2 3 4 is the values. So here 1 is a value, So we need to leave this and we need to multiply remaining 2 3 4. So calculate this. 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, you get an 24. Okay, next step, we need to leave second element like index 1, remaining carry 1 into 3 3, 3 3 for the 12, like that we need to do 4 to the 8, 8 into 1 1. We need to leave 4. Finally 3 to the 6 I will get. So this is the form, like this is the one of the output of the lead code. Okay, I hope you are like this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye.